Hey guys, it's Discovery Road here, and we are here at Dollywood in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This is a major bucket list theme park for me. We're going to try to do most of the rides today, for sure all the coasters. So it's 10 to 6, so we have 8 hours to get everything done, so here it is. So we just got off Lightning Rod, and that thing is amazing. Definitely my new #1. It beats Outlaw Run, which was my #1. That thing was awesome. The airtime was great. It was intense, very smooth, I think, and I just loved it. I think them have similar opinions to me.
Firechaser Express. It's a Gerslauer family launch coaster. And normally I'm not the kind of person that likes coasters, but I didn't think this was too bad of one, and I rode it, and it was very terrifying. I was really scared on it, but overall it was a fine coaster.
It's a family coaster, and he thinks it's intense.
It was pretty intense, the launches. It's a unique coaster because it launches you backwards and forwards, and it's just a nice little coaster.
So, we just got off Wild Eagle, and it wasn't a bad ride. The layout was actually pretty good. The first drop was really good. I was sitting in the back, and I actually got some decent airtime. But the main problem with it is those restraints. They just kept coming down harder and harder because of the G-forces. But I had heard people, that was my first wing coaster, and I had heard people say that the restraints on it weren't very good, the best restraints, and I can agree. They just came down so hard. When we hit the brakes, it was hard to breathe, really. It was so tight. But apart from that, it was a pretty good ride.
Hey guys, it's Dollywood, and I just like Dragonflier right behind me, and I loved it. So, I want you to see it too, so we're gonna watch it together. Mommy, that feels stronger than that.
So I'm really liking the park right now. It's just got like a really cool atmosphere to it. I know some of, particularly these two, have thought that the park may be a little bit dirty and nasty.
Just a little bit.
But I actually think this is one of, like, I think this is like almost more clean than Silver Dollars. Yeah, I'm really liking the park. We're in line for Mystery Mine now, which is a Gerstlauer Eurofighter, and I've heard good and bad things about this, so I'll just see what I think of it. So far, we've loved every coaster we've done, really. We're probably not gonna do the Kiddie coaster or Blazing Fury, just because we only have like less than 3 hours to park close, and we still got this and Thunderhead to do, and we're also wanting to get a re-ride on Lightning Rod, and Willow wants to get a re-ride on Dragonflier. So.
As you know, did you see my part of the Dragonflier run?
Eli, do the same thing. What's been your favorite rides?
Probably Dragonflier.
The family coaster.
The best family coaster in the world. The best one so far is
He wouldn't even try it.
Dragonflier is. You know how cool it was.
So we just got off Mystery Mine, and I enjoyed it. It was a little rough at times, but it was very unique. I liked it. The theming's done really well, and I think honestly my favorite part of the ride was at the top of the second lift. You stop and they blast fire towards you, and you can feel the heat coming off it in the front row, and I think that may be my favorite part, but it was really enjoyable. I really liked it, so yeah.
I proved her wrong. I stayed up one night to see if I snored, and I never did.
So we just got off Thunderhead, and which was our last new coaster of the day, which I'd love to do Blazing Fury and the Kiddie coaster just for the credit, but we want a re-ride on, Willow wants a re-ride on Dragonflier, and we want a re-ride on Lightning Rod. So yeah, we're not going to be getting on those two, but anyways, about Thunderhead, I really enjoyed it. It was a little rough. It wasn't jackhammering rough like Wildcat at Frontier City, but it was a little side-to-side shaky, but I got over it. It's probably my second favorite in the park. Lightning Rod's my favorite, and then Thunderhead's probably second favorite here at Dollywood. I really enjoyed it. It didn't have great airtime or anything, it's just the speed was really good through some of those things, so yeah. Mom and Lily, on the other hand, both thought it was very rough. We are on our way back to the car now. We just finished our day here at Dollywood, and it was awesome. We all had a really great time. We got all the coasters in except Blazing Fury and the Kiddie coaster, and then we got 2 rides on Dragonflier and 2 rides on Lightning Rod, which Lightning Rod was amazing, especially the second time. It seemed to be running like way faster than it was earlier, and it was absolutely awesome, but we're all super tired because this park's very terrain. We're gonna check on the phone and see how much we walked today, but yeah, just check our channel out later, or check out more videos of our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.